Along with the rest of the world, the Office of the Mission Director, National Health Mission, Government of Meghalaya, had observed World Malaria Day 2023 on the 27th of April, where the Minister in charge of Health and Family Welfare, Dr. M Ampareen Lyngdoh, had graced the occasion as chief guest. Others present included the Principal Secretary of Health and Family Welfare Department, Sampath Kumar, zonal and nodal officers of the health department, besides other officials and staff of the particular department. The theme of this year's observation is Time to Deliver Zero Malaria, Invest, Innovate, Implement.
Alright, we're going to chase the mosquito away from here. Sama kiwa cho Langi uhusia sendong yaini Ichare chanta haki The National Health Mission Nyoko ubud yaki indon Tinta imyak weipa Yumani kiwa chai pura Tersiawi hapi Wendawa emkam yaki Uburanti iman kasmi
by addressing all of the vulnerable areas for the outbreak of a malaria threat, we would all have problems. Line departments like the PWD, the urban affairs. Now even fishery is very popular. Many schemes are now being given. Stagnant ponds are being seen now everywhere. So, do we have the wherewithal to ensure that the entire convergence model that you have planned here will be a workable model? I particularly would believe that the malaria combat would be far more successful if public get to know. And you have correctly presented some very innovative ideas of how we can break this unknown facts of malaria through song. And those songs were very vividly presented to the public. And surely anyone who listens to those kinds of songs would be interested in asking, okay, so there is this malaria, what do we do to get ahead of it? That the state of Meghalaya, having performed wonderfully in combating this dreaded malaria, make sure that we should not ever get back to 2015. Because one slip in that protocol could just take us back and roll us back again to where we began. I want to ensure that we have medicines available at all tertiary care centers. Do we have the medicines? So that if anybody in our localities does get malaria, how do we make sure that that person, another mosquito doesn't bite that person and then bite somebody else? Because it's not just, from what I understood, I think we can transmit also. From what I understood, somebody coming from out having malaria, mosquito bites him, I also get the malaria. So I'll also get worried now. So we are very, we are ordinary people. Whenever we are invited to very advanced discussions of diseases like this, we go back with some images in our minds. So those images should not haunt us or instill a fear in us that likely we may not be able to combat this in a crisis situation.